Hello families, we're excited to welcome you to 4th grade. We hope this presentation will help you understand a little about what the year might look like and answer some of your questions. To begin with, let's meet the 4th grade team. This year the 3 teachers are Mr. Sykes, Miss Rasmussen, and Miss Schultz. We really like to think that all of the 4th graders are all our students and look forward to getting to know each and every one of you, regardless of whether we're your homeroom teacher or not. Each day in 4th grade, our daily schedule will look a little something like this. Students are arriving around 8:20 into the room, and our morning meeting begins at 8:30 with the announcements from Mr. Farrington. This year, our What I Need time, or WIN, takes place in 2 segments. The first is at 8:45, followed by Number Corner, and our Making Meaning lesson for the day. Our second WIN chunk occurs after Making Meaning and before our snack break. After we have a chance to snack, we will have our main math lesson, followed by Unit. Unit includes our social studies, science, and health. After Unit, we have a writing and vocabulary lesson before lunch and recess. After recess, we'll all look forward to a read aloud before heading off to Specialist for the day. When we return from Specialist, we'll be able to pack and stack before dismissal. Let's take a minute to look into each of the core curriculum areas to understand a little about what those experiences might look like. Our math curriculum in 4th grade, and in all of Wayzata, is Bridges in Mathematics. Our curriculum focuses on developing in students in deep understanding of math concepts. That includes proficiency with key skills and the ability to solve new and complex problems. We'll do this in 3 ways. The main is problems and investigations, which usually begin with a problem posed to the whole class, students thinking and working independently or talking in pairs, before comparing strategies and solutions as a whole class. Teachers will monitor and guide students through these discussions to make sure that we understand these important mathematical concepts. Workplaces also engage in mathematical exploration activities and reinforce the key skills from problems and investigations. Teachers will both observe and interact, as well as have an opportunity to address students' needs for support during these workplaces, which often include games. The other component of our math curriculum is Number Corner, which is a skill-based program that revolves around the class calendar, and it gives students an active role in math. We will receive daily practice as well as steady encounters with big concepts from math. Our reading curriculum is Making Meaning from Collaborative Classrooms, also known as CCC. Making Meaning is designed to help students build their reading comprehension, and in 4th grade, we really do make a shift from learning how to read to reading to learn. We'll do this with shared texts. Weekly, students will hear books read aloud and discuss the books with their partners in the class. Students learn key comprehension strategies that readers use to help them understand what they read, including questioning, analyzing text structure, determining important ideas, and summarizing. We also have an opportunity to practice reading independently every day during IDR. IDR is at least 30 minutes and reinforces our lessons' comprehension strategies. We also have a vocabulary component. Each week, students focus on 6 words from the previous week. Students really try to work to use these words in meaningful sentences, and we hope they're able to incorporate them into their real-life conversations as well. Unit consists of 3 areas. The first, social studies. In 4th grade social studies, we learn about the regions of the United States. We'll study the geographical features, environmental resources, and cultural landscape of both the West, Southwest, as well as Midwest, Southeast, and Northeast. Students will also learn all 50 capitals and postal abbreviations over the course of the year. In science, we're actually using a brand new curriculum called Mystery Science, and we'll be learning about the Earth's features and processes, forces, motion, and magnets, natural resources, as well as the water cycle and Earth systems. We're excited to explore this new curriculum and be learners together. In health, our primary resource used to address topics in the classroom is McGraw-Hill's Wellness Curriculum, as well as the Second Step program. The areas that we cover in health over the course of 4th grade include mental, emotional, family, and social health, growth and nutrition, personal health and safety, drugs, disease prevention, and community and environmental health. No matter what we're learning in 4th grade, we do it with Bobcat pride. These are our 4 C's of community, compassion, commitment, and curiosity. We'll have monthly Bobcat Pride lessons surrounding these 4 C's, as well as acknowledge Bobcats of the Month who do a wonderful job of displaying them. We also have a daily Circle Up component, where we're really able to grow our community together. Some of the learning tools that we'll use in 4th grade include iPads. iPads are distributed one-to-one, where each student will use their own iPad during the school day, but not bring them home each night. We have several classroom consumables, including our Making Meaning books for CCC, student books for math, number corner books also for math, as well as our social studies and health texts. IDR books are a huge learning tool in 4th grade, and students are expected to have books both at home and at school. One key difference from 3rd to 4th grade is our online learning platform. 4th grade no longer uses Seesaw, but uses Canvas. Canvas is used in grades 4 through 12, so the first year that students use this learning platform is this year, but they will continue with it for the rest of their Wayzata career. Students are able to view and complete activities with online submissions, and parents can also view submissions and feedback. Our teachers will be in touch with families to let you know the extent to which we'll be using Canvas throughout the year, so that you can appropriately follow up with your students. Let's talk a little bit about homework. The main component for homework in 4th grade is our binders. Students will write their homework in their binders daily. Please check them nightly to know what your students need to complete. Students typically do not have homework over the weekend, and including reading, students should expect to complete about 40 to 60 minutes of homework each night. This includes daily reading of about 30 minutes nightly at home. Home connections are one of the main homework components that you can expect to see and assist with. Home connections are sent at the discretion of your child's teacher, and they're typically sent 2 to 3 times a week. Your child may also bring home math games or activities for you to do together, but the main role you have as a parent is not necessarily to teach, but to guide your student and to take an interest in their work. You'll be receiving unit overviews throughout the year that will explain the math concepts that we use in class. Skyward Family Access is an online component where you can check attendance, you can schedule conferences, and view report card grades. Your students' grades will be viewed only at semester time and cannot be checked weekly like in middle school or high school. Anytime a student will be absent from school, please use Skyward to record attendance. One important component that we use in 4th grade to stay in touch with families is the Student Family Information Form. This will tell your teacher what is the best way to contact you, will let us know how your child will get to and from school each day, and what, if anything, we should know before the school year starts. Let's take a minute to go over this form together that is also in the email where you received this open house video. The 4th grade teachers are collecting the following information to help us know the best way to reach out during the school day, as well as your students' transportation routines. We ask that you complete all this information, but it only needs to be completed once per family. We'd like to know your student's first and last name, of course, and if your student goes by anything other than their legal first name, please let us know here. During the day, we often need to reach out quickly, so let us know which guardian you prefer us to contact first during the school day. And what is the preferred contact for that method? Let us know if you prefer to be emailed, your cell phone number, work number, etc. Let us know the email address or phone number that matches the preferred contact that you've listed. For example, if you prefer to be contacted by your cell phone, let us know the cell phone number. Transportation routines are also important, so please let us know Monday through Friday whether your students will take the bus, parent pickup, walk, go to Wayzata Kids, or have a daycare bus as they arrive from school and leave school. We'd love to know if your student wears glasses so that we can reinforce the wearing of the glasses at school. We'd also love to know 3 of your students' greatest strengths. Please know that these do not need to be academic areas. You don't need to say the greatest strengths are reading, math, and science. You might let us know that they're very curious. Finally, if there's anything else important for us to know about your child before school starts, please let us know here. Here's a few other classroom procedures that you should know about. Each day, we encourage students to have a healthy snack. We really encourage this because of our lunchtime. You've likely noticed as we went through the schedule that our lunch occurs at 12:55 each day. So we have a snack break built into our schedule to allow students to have a snack in the middle of the day so that they can make it to our late lunch. Another classroom procedure to be aware of is our Friday flex time. This helps us reward students who are responsible through the week and stay up to date on their homework. On Fridays, all students who have all their work submitted for the week will enjoy a little additional time. Please be aware of your classroom food allergies as well. If your classroom has a snack policy relating to classroom allergies, they will reach out to you, but please support these so that we can keep all our students healthy. School supplies do not need to come on open house night. You can bring them on open house night or the first day of school. No school supplies will be put away at open house if you do bring them that night. Please know that if you ordered a supply kit, they will be at the school for your child on the first day of school. Communication is extremely important to all the 4th grade teachers. Please use the information listed here to reach out to your classroom teacher as needed. Their email address and classroom phone number are listed. Please allow 24 hours for response, though hopefully we're able to respond sooner. In 4th grade, we really try not to double up on communication. Birchview sends out weekly family emails, and we like for this information to be your primary source of what's going on in the school. We will send out classroom newsletters as needed. If we have information that differs from what's being sent out by the school, we will send out, and we hope that you're able to read them completely. We're so excited to begin this 4th grade year together, have all of our community here at Birchview under one roof. We can't wait to start the year and look forward to seeing you in person. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and have a great day.